Bursting with flavour, this rainbow beef stir fry is the perfect Chinese fakeaway. It's an easy dinner made at home. So we're going to weigh our marinade ingredients straight into the bowl. We've got some soy sauce, sesame oil, some corn flour, garlic powder, and onion powder. And now that that's combined, we're going to let it marinate for 15 minutes on the bench top. And now we get started on set continuity. And now we get started on sauteing our vegetables. We're going to chuck some olive oil in the bowl. We've got some red onion, red capsicum, yellow capsicum, and carrots. And we're just going to saute those for 5 minutes. Bit of brown sugar, a little bit of honey, I'm not going to let you use that one where I say it weird. Rice wine vinegar. And now that cooks away for 5 to 7 minutes. That's our curry all cooked after only 5 minutes now. And I'm going to serve it up so you can see just how delicious and sexy it is. Done.